Hey guys, this is AK Walia, and today I'm going to show you how to undo sent email in Gmail. So a lot of time what happens is whenever we send an email in Gmail, just after clicking the send button, we see a typo in the email and we wish we could have a mechanism where we could unsend it, correct the typo, and then send it again. Well, guess what? You're in luck. Gmail exactly has this feature where you can undo your sent emails for a particular period of time. So, what you do is to activate that feature, go onto your Gmail inbox just as I am in now, and then you go onto the top right hand side, click on settings, and then click on see all settings. And when you're on all settings, you come down, and here you will be able to see the undo send option. So what you can do is you can edit your cancellation period from here. So by default it is 5 seconds. So by default you can undo an email by 5 seconds, but if you want to increase it, you can click here and you can go up to 30 seconds. And so for example, I want to set it to like the maximum time to make sure that I have a chance to take a second look at the email. And so I make it to 30 seconds, and then I come down, and then it was already 30 seconds, so it is not showing me an option to save changes. But let's say if I do it for 20 seconds and I come down, I can see the save changes option has become live again. So I just click on it and it saves. And from now on, whenever you will be whenever you want to send email, for example, I send an email, and I click on send, and here you can see the message was sent, and you can undo the message until 20 seconds. So you can see this message, and for 20 seconds you will have the option to undo it by clicking on that option. So I will just show you how to undo it also. You click on send. Now this undo option will be here there for you for 20 seconds, and this is how you undo a sent email in Gmail. Just click on undo, and here you can see it shows sending undone, and then you can make any changes that you want to, and then hit on send again. So this is how you unsend an email in Gmail. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments and I'll try to answer them for you. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe so that others may benefit from this video too. Signing off, stay safe.